Hello and welcome to a new YouTube video. My name is Lucas and today what I got for you guys is another pickups video. It's been a couple months since the last one and I've got a few things in since that time. Some things that I'm excited to share with you guys. Some things that, honestly, a lot of heavy hitters in my opinion. I love these pieces that I picked up. I'm very happy with what I bought. I wasn't buying too much with what I was buying. Very happy with that. Buying these things with purpose, which is always important. Things that can fit seamlessly into my wardrobe. Things that I know I'll be wearing for a very long time. So if you are new around here, don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, share the video, notification bell, all that good stuff. Really appreciate it. And let's just get right into the pickups. Starting off with the footwear and starting off with a pair that I actually lined up for. I was lucky enough to get the last pair in not really my size. It was like a half size smaller than my normal size, which is like an 8.5. These are an 8 men's, and it is the Sachs general purpose shoe. So like I said, I lined up here in Calgary locally. One of the stores had them. I lucked out, got my size. The friend that I was with did not get his pair. Justine also was lucky enough to grab her size, which is obviously a lot smaller than this one. So size 8 men's, and they're a little bit snug, they're a little bit tight, but I've worn them a few times to work all day and I haven't had really any problems. But the all brown colorway of the Sachs general purpose shoe. Of course, we got the two big pull tabs on the tongue and on the heel. We got the Sachs branding there inside the tongue. Got the Nike Craft little symbol thingy on the bottom of the shoe. Now this is the third colorway of this shoe. We got the yellow one and the white and blue one. I would say the white and blue one is my favorite, followed by this brown one and the yellow one. It's cool, but for me it's just not really as wearable, I don't think. Definitely gonna get a lot of wear out of this one, I think, in the summertime. And honestly, I can't wait to beat it up, kind of turn into an everyday shoe once the snow kind of goes away and it gets a little bit warmer. So Sachs general purpose shoe in the brown colorway, the first pickup. Second pair is a pair that might have gone under the radar, kind of slept on, maybe, I'm not too sure, but it is the Dime and Merrell collaboration. This is the, I believe it's the Moab. This is the Merrell Moab WPX, what the box says, but in this beautiful brown suede with this rubberized toe cap. Got the Dime branding there, some Dime branding on the back pull tab, and this beautiful, again, pastel purple colorway. And then on the tongue as well, some more Dime branding. And you already know, we got the Vibram outsole, of course, as most Merrells do. And these are, it says waterproof on this little piece here, but I haven't really worn them out that much just because it's been super gross out, and they're very breathable, so I'm not really gonna wear them when it's freezing cold outside. I'm not too sure if I want to test the waterproof level, if it's raining or if it's snowing, but very comfortable. Worn them to work a few times, worn them all day, and they're very comfortable. They're quite heavy and chunky, but I love them. I think Dime did an incredible job with these. There's also an all purple colorway, but again, for me, this one is just a little bit more wearable, and I think I'll wear it a ton once the spring hits and it gets a little bit warmer, once the snow starts to melt, and I definitely can't wait to wear these more. Also, shout out to Dime. They have been doing an incredible job. Love to see a good Canadian brand doing well in the streetwear scene. And the last pair of sneakers, probably, arguably the best pair. It is the JJJJound New Balance 991. As you can see, I haven't even laced them up. It took about 2 weeks to get them in from the JJJJound website, but I don't need to really say too much about these. Probably my favorite New Balance collab that JJJJound has done since the very first 990 V3, which unfortunately I don't have. I should have them, but I don't. That's a story for another day. But this one, in pretty much the exact same colorway, obviously just on the 991 model. Like I said, haven't tried them on yet. I don't own any 991, so I can't really speak to the comfort. But actually, I did slip them on, and they feel great, and I can't wait to wear them. Once again, once the snow and the slush kind of clears up and it gets a little more dry outside, obviously the suede will get pretty ruined in the snow and rain and whatnot. So very excited. I'm looking forward to wearing these. Moving away from the footwear into a pair of pants that were sent to me about a month and a half ago maybe from another Canadian brand, small independent brand called Nanmin, I believe is how you say it. But it's basically just this fatigue pant that he kind of did his own thing on, put some little tool pouches here that you would see in a carpenter pant. Nice flaps on the fatigue pockets. Two big back pockets with flaps as well. And it's got these straps here, you can adjust the waist. I think I got a size 30 and they fit me beautifully. I think they're still available on his website if you are interested, but the details are amazing. I don't know if you can see on camera, but some darting on the knees, another cargo flat pocket here on the back of the thigh area. And these are just wide, they're nice, they're beautiful. Like I said, the details, the craftsmanship, the quality. And then on the bottom as well, they got the little drawstrings if you wanted to cinch them up. But I wear them open. So these beautiful pair of pants, the only thing I would say is the material is very attracted to dust and lint and fuzz or whatever, but not the biggest deal because when I go out, I'll just lint roll them. But love these pants. Definitely go check them out on Instagram, check out their website if you're not familiar with the brand. Doing an amazing thing. Love to see small Canadian brands doing their thing. So yeah, I love these pants. I'll probably wear them a ton in the spring. So now we're gonna move into a few tops, and another piece that was sent to me a little while ago is this no maintenance fleece, Sherpa fleece. I got this in a medium, I think, and it fits me beautifully. It's very cropped, quite boxy, as you can see, with the white colorway with like this brown like branches or almost lightning pattern all throughout the fleece. Very good quality. And then on the inside, got this like satin line. Very cozy, very warm. And they actually sent Justine the black colorway. I'll just go grab it real quick. So they did send Justine the black one with the blue. Obviously definitely emulates lightning a lot more than the white colorway. But again, I think this one's a size small, a little bit too cropped, too small for me, but again, a beautiful piece, great quality, great craftsmanship. Like I said, super warm, a little bit of a not super deep pile on the fleece, but very nice regardless. Shout out to No Maintenance as well. They're doing amazing things out in LA. Couple more tops that I did grab. This one was from the first Palace drop of the spring-summer season. I believe this is called the cycling knit. I got this one in a medium again. Palace on the front with the zipper, quite thick knit actually. I'm not sure how it's really a spring-summer piece, as it is quite thick, it's quite warm. Got the little Italian Palace, the little Palace Italia logo on the chest. And this one got the Campione. Just try my Italian's terrible, obviously. And then on the back, it says Technica as well in the same print as the front. And then on the shoulder, or bicep, tricep, whatever, it says, what's that? 2009 Espirito Sportif. So very nice colors on this one. Like I said, it's very heavy, very thick. I'm gonna try to wear as much as I can before the winter is over. But again, Palace just keeps doing their thing, especially with the more like sport inspired soccer jerseys, cycling inspired things like this. I love this piece. It is very, very nice. One more top that I picked up, again, very recently, I haven't worn it yet, is this South2 West8 mohair like V-neck sweater. I'm not sure the exact name, but I'll try and look it up. Picked this up on sale, I believe it was 60% off from Anonymous, a store up in Edmonton. But it's a medium, it's quite big. I'm not normally the biggest V-neck fan either, but I just love this. South2 West8, definitely one of my favorite brands. Nepenthe is again doing amazing things with needles, engineered garments, and South2 West8. But as you can see, it's just got the targets all over with like the elk, I guess, elk with the antlers print all over the back in this beautiful navy and like maroon colorway. But yeah, I haven't worn this yet. It is mohair, I believe, so it's gonna be quite itchy. Hopefully I can bring it out here soon once it gets a little bit warmer. It's a little bit too cold right now just for this. Definitely need a jacket at the moment, but South2 West8, one of my favorite brands. And again, just a beautiful piece. Very happy to have this one. And the very last piece, the very last pickup, the latest pickup is this beanie from Sundays by YouTuber Magnus Ronning, also has his own brand Ronning, but he's been doing incredible things aside from YouTube with his brands, and I just love this beanie. The colors are amazing. They're like this cream and then like this brown taupey colorway. I love it. I've worn it once. It's a little bit small, but my head is quite big, so yeah, it's just a little bit tight on me, but I do love it and I'm gonna wear it a lot. Yes, I also did buzz my hair off, as you can see, but love this beanie. Very nice. He's been doing incredible things, like I said. His website, I'm pretty sure, is only open on Sundays, as the brand name is Sundays, but there's a multitude of colors. Got some red, purple, green, I think black as well, but great beanie. I would love to pick up more, probably for next winter. I think I'm done buying winter clothes for this season as spring is right around the corner, but yeah, love the beanie. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you next time.